the outstanding debt, number 1, and then we get the payment by using the formula of present value of an annuity, which gives us this, and then we get the interest by multiplying the interest rate times the outstanding debt, and then we get the capital payment by subtracting the interest from the payment, and then we get the new outstanding debt by subtracting the capital payment from the previous debt. And we do the same with all the 84 of the cash flow, and we write all the payments that we made, and we get the interest rate of return by using a formula that Excel gives. And the approximate annual rate is this times 12, and then the effective rate, we use the formula that Excel gives, and that's everything that we need to do.
Problem number 2 states that Juan is going to invest in Uber. He is going to invest 200,000 pesos from his own money, and he reads that he's going to get 15,000 pesos monthly. To work with these tables, we have to work with yearly value, so we multiply 15,000 times 12. After that, we have to calculate the rescue value, which is basically a part we want to get back from the initial investment. We considered 40% because the car is going to be really used, so we have to consider a low percentage. We get it by doing 200,000 pesos times 0.40, and we obtain the 80,000 pesos. After that, we have to do the cash flows table. In year 0, we can see the investment of 200,000 pesos, and then we get 180,000 pesos each year. But in year 4, we have to add up the rescue value, and we get 260,000 pesos. After that, we get the internal rate of return with an Excel's formula, and then we calculate the net present value with an Excel's formula, which is basically the cash flows, the sum of all cash flows over 1 times the internal rate of return. We close the parentheses and we do it to the time power. So if it's year 1, it would be to the power of 1. If it's year 2, it would be to the power of 2, etc. After doing that, we have to subtract the initial investment, and we can see that this is a profitable investment since the net present value is positive, and we get 73,207 pesos with 65 cents.
This problem raises that it takes 2 million pesos to open the gas station. Of that amount, Juan is going to put 1.5 million, so that amount remains 500,000. Juan decides to request a loan from the bank, and in turn will sell common and preferred shares. The loan is 17.50%, but without counting taxes, the result is 11.38%. This result is obtained by multiplying 17.50 by 1 minus 0.35. To get the percentage of the common actions, we have to use the formula in Excel of V for 1 plus G over P plus G. We select the values and the result is 13.36%. Then we take the percentage of the preferred shares, and the formula is D over P, and we take to account the values of Excel, so that we find 18.50%.
Then, because we only have 4 of the financial statements, we know that each one has the same importance. Here they are. So, we are going to set to each one 33%. And there we have with the same amount. So, then here to get the WACC, we need to add the relative importance of each one with the percentage that they have. So it's going to be 0.33 times 11.36, adding 0.33 times 18.50 plus 0.33 times 13.36%. So this result is going to be 14.39%, and there is how we get the cost of the various sources.